Is your Windows 11 PC running slow, taking longer to open apps, or running out of storage space? In this video, I'll show you 4 simple commands that can help you remove temporary files, cache, and unnecessary junk from your Windows 11 PC. You don't need any third-party software. Everything can be done using Windows' built-in tools. So, let's get started. First, press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Now type prefetch and press Enter. If Windows asks for administrator permission, click Continue. You'll now see a folder containing prefetch files. Press Ctrl plus A to select all the files, then press Delete. If Windows says that some files are currently being used, simply click Skip. These files are temporary, and Windows will recreate the necessary ones automatically. Now let's clear another type of temporary file. Press Windows plus R again and type temp. Press Enter. This folder contains temporary files created by Windows and different applications. Press Ctrl plus A, then press Delete. If some files cannot be deleted because they're currently in use, just select Skip. Next, we're going to clear your user temporary files. Press Windows plus R once again and type %temp%. Make sure you include the percent signs on both sides. Now press Enter. Just like before, press Ctrl plus A, then press Delete. Windows may not allow you to delete some files because they're currently being used. Let's use Windows' built-in disk cleanup tool. Press Windows plus R and type cleanmgr. Then press Enter. Select your Windows drive, usually the C drive, and click OK. Windows will scan your computer for unnecessary files. Once the scan is complete, you'll see different types of files that can be removed. Select the items you want to clean, and then click OK. Windows will now remove the selected junk and temporary files from your computer. And that's it. We just cleared temporary files and unnecessary junk using 4 simple Windows 11 commands: prefetch, temp, %temp%, and cleanmgr. If this video helped you clean up your Windows 11 PC, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tips and tricks.